Hey, 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 pretty planner dolls. Welcome back to Pretty Face Plans. It's Shonda, and I am here today with another unboxing video. If you watched my last video, you heard me say that I have a lot of subscriptions that have been like on back order, and so they're coming in slowly. So I'll have a series of videos where I'll be doing these unboxings as they come in. What I have before you right now is the Oh So Paper June subscription box, and this time it is actually a box, and I am so excited to see what's in here. I think I enjoy buying planner supplies more than I enjoy using them, because I love doing these haul unboxing videos. And so I'm about to start this one. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside the June subscription box from Oh So Paper, you know what to do. Just stick around. So let's see how we have to, these are always sealed up so well, and I have my scissors here, and we're gonna see if I can get it open with the scissors without having to dig out my X-Acto knife. And this tape, I don't know what brand or what kind of tape you call this, but baby, it is meant to keep things in or keep folks out. So let me find real quick my X-Acto knife and see if this does a better job than those scissors of getting me inside this box. Yep. There we are, and we're in. Okay, so we got some little peanuts in here, packing peanuts, and interesting. So you have this little sticker that I always try to peel off and keep. I have my one from last week, but it says sprinkle kindness around like confetti, and I guess this is going to be the color scheme of the things in the box. So the box is kind of big for sitting on the desk, so I'm going to go ahead and just take everything out of the box. Oh, got some goodies. Oh, my sticker got big. And then we'll talk about them. Oh, we got some interesting new things in here this time. Stuff I've never seen before. So make sure I got everything. Nothing left in there. So let's see what we have. Let's start with this deliciousness right here. This appears to be some acetate. Let's open it up and see. Oh, I tore that, but no mind. I probably won't keep it in here. Anyway, okay, so that is what it is, and it looks like it coordinates together. So, oh, it's 3 sheets of it. I thought it was just 2. So this first sheet here, you have the little characters, the mininistas for this month's collection, and they are sprinkled in with some candy or sweet treat shaped balloons, and then some little balloons on the floor. So the dolls, the little balloons, like a little donut balloon, a little candy balloon, an ice cream cone balloon, with those cute little dolls. Okay, that's the first sheet of acetate. Then this next sheet is just some candy sprinkles or sweet treat sprinkles in the color scheme of the box. And this is probably A5 size, which I don't have an A5 planner. Looks like I might need to get one because a lot of stuff that I get comes in A5 size. And then this last one, it's kind of a ombre colored sheet of acetate, because I can see pink tones, yellow tones, and then that turquoisey green tone that's part of the color scheme. And it has lollipops and sprinkles on it. And when you layer them all three together, so like if you put the sprinkles and the candy, it is very cute when you layer it all three together. You see the different layers. So I probably will turn this one going this way. Very, very cute little candy thing. Then next you have some washi tape. It says June 2021 Sweet Tooth 20 millimeter washi tape. And what did I do with my X-Acto knife? I'm gonna open this up just a little bit. Not just a little bit, I'm gonna open up and show you what it looks like without the glare from the plastic on the outside. I like to open my stuff right away. I don't need that. So, find where it starts. Struggling getting it open. Give me a second, please. I probably could have got that. Okay, so it just has like snow cones, ice cream cones, jelly beans, candy sprinkles, lollipops, lemons, mixed in with the mini Easter doll. So it is very, very cute. And then it has that like ombre tone to it. So it starts out with the teal, greenish teal color, and then it fades kind of into a yellow, and then that fades into a pink and back to yellow, and then it repeats. So very, very cute washi. And these mini Easters, you know they're cute. So I'm gonna try to, I got that tangled up, so I had to throw it on away. But I'm gonna put that back down like that. So that's the next thing. That was the acetate and then the washi. Then you have your sticker of the month with the little dolls on it, and her little rainbow one shoulder dress. I love an asymmetric neckline, a one shoulder neckline. Her little midriff shirt, tie front shirt, and the cute little striped shorts sets in pink. That's too cute. And then this little doll over here, she has on a pale yellow dress. Then you get the magnet that matches the sticker of the month. So that's the same thing, just in magnet form. I'll take that out of the box because I put those on my dry erase board at work. And then my postcard got bent up a little bit. But I have this cute little postcard that I will probably bless my niece with. I think she'll really enjoy getting a little note in the mail from me on this cute little postcard with these cute little candies and things on it. And then we have the sticker book for the month. Something's stuck. Something is stuck. I can't get, there we go. A grip on it. I couldn't get a grip on it, but now I have it, and there we go. Okay, so the sticker book. So we have the mini Nistas. This first one here is named Victoria. She has her cute little pixie cut and a little tiered ruffle skirt and a little tie front blouse. A little sticker in the middle that says Sweet Days Ahead. Then we have Jewel, who's wearing the one shoulder A-line fit and flare kind of dress with the different colors of the color screens, and it's a pleated dress. That's too cute. Oh, these dolls are cute. Charisma, I love Charisma. I already talked about her pink on pink striped short set and the matching headband bow, and she has her little curly hair. Then you have a donut that says "Oh So Sweet." I love this color combination as well. It reminds me of pink lemonade. Frankie is the doll's name, and Frankie has her pink and white striped top and yellow bottoms, and she's rocking dreadlocks as a hairstyle. Okay. Then, oh, the little dress is now in teal. Okay, she's cute too, and she has like her little, what do you call that, roller set hairstyle. Her name is Brielle. This is the same dress with the white bow tie in the front with white polka dots, and instead of yellow this time, it is the teal. This quote says just a spoonful of sugar. Then we have Kersha. Kersha has her rainbow striped jacket, her cute little shorts, her little flat ballet flats, and then she's drinking, looks like a Coke or some kind of soda there. Cute. Keisha, not Keisha, Kersha. Okay, then we just have the little stickers, different little scenes. They're at a Oso paper, looks like a snow cone cart. Here they're in an ice cream or donut shop. She's here with, she switched up the stripes again. Now it's teal on teal, but she's with lollipops and candy, just laying in a bunch of lollipops and candy. This is a cute little lemonade stand one with the two dolls there. She's selling the lemonade and she's buying the lemonade. No, she's helping sell it. She has a picture of lemonade in her hand. Okay, then you have Be Happy, just some stripes, some today and to-do stickers. On this next page, you have some functional stickers, little note boxes, checklist. Yeah, just that's all that whole page is, checklist and little boxes that you can write little notes in that candy theme with all of the different little dolls, little lemonade, little candy on the corner here, and then just the dolls that are part of this collection. The next page, you have some washi strips. This one says life is short. The one with the words on it, it says life is short, eat dessert first. And then you have your rainbow stripe, diagonal stripe washi, pink with candy sprinkles on top, some page flags, some arrows, all in the scheme, color scheme of the monthly box. Here you have your functional stickers. They say treat yourself, note to self, payday, bill due, donut worry, be happy, some quote stickers. Donut worry, be happy, sprinkle kindness around like confetti, never settle for just one scoop. That is so true. Whenever I go get ice cream, I'm gonna get 2 scoops. There's no sense in just getting one. Then you have some holiday stickers. National Postal Worker Day, the 4th of July. World Emoji Day is July 17th. And National Lollipop Day, July 20th. So I'll be sure to put those on my July spread. Then you have some more decorative stickers, little banner, excuse me, balloons, lollipops, another little snow cone stand, a lemonade stand, an ice cream sundae, more balloons. These are different little snow cone syrups, a snow cone, a lemonade picture, a little girl eating her lollipop, some more candy and lollipops. Then next, you have your Zoe stickers, one for every color of the color scheme. These look like little candy pieces. I would use them, I'll probably use them as bullet points. Little bullet points here, note, page flags, weekend banners, a long checklist, some numbers, random numbers. Well, they're not random, they're 1 through 7. I don't know what I would use those for or why we only went to 7. Then 3 little stickers, circular stickers with the different dolls in it. And then a whole gang of dolls, all of the little mini Anistas from this month's release, I believe, all together in one sticker. That's too cute, and that's something different I haven't seen since I've had a subscription. Okay, next page you have some more functional stickers, a long box, a long horizontal box with a doll on it, some little header stickers, and some page flag header stickers. And that is the end of the book. Now, next you have, this looks like she did a collaboration with Posh Candle Co. And you get, what is this? Oh, it's matches. Okay. I don't like how matches smell, so I probably won't use the matches. Oh, this is too cute. They're matches and it says stay lit. Love it. I love that. But like I said, I don't like how matches smell, so I probably won't use the matches. And I'm assuming that since this is from Posh Candle Co. and you got some matches, that this is going to be a candle. Let's see. Yep, cute little packaging. White box with the little label on it, and then inside you have your bubble wrap and some polka dot tissue paper. I'm gonna say that, tissue paper. And then you have the candle, and the candle has a cute little label on it. It says Posh Candle Co. on the sweet side, and the scent of the candle is buttercream cake, and it's a premium soy candle. And it's really sweet. So I don't like sweet scents, so I probably will give this away. I like clean water scents, clean linen, laundry, open air, nature scents. This is a little sweet. I might try to burn it and see if I can tolerate it, but if not, I will gift it to someone. So yeah, that's cute, but I like getting the candle. I just don't like the scent of it. And yeah, you can tell it's a soy white wax candle. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is the June subscription box from Oso Paper. Let me just lay out all of the tings. Here we go. All of the things. The little washi. And the acetates. There you have it, guys. This is all of the things that came in the Oso Paper June 2021 subscription box, and I absolutely love the kit. It's cute, it's playful, just in time for summer, and reminds me of all the sweet things that you get to do in summer. Let me know if you had a favorite item from this box, or if you're a member, subscription member. Let me know if you had a favorite item from this box by commenting below. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos and you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. How do you become a subscriber? You go right over there and hit that red subscription button. While you're at it, go ahead and hit the gray notification bell. That way, whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. It's been real. This has been real fun. I hope it's been real fun for you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.